If you're over 60 and you've noticed your legs feeling weaker, heavier, or more tired than they used to, you are not alone. Many older adults tell me, I walk slower now. My legs feel shaky when I stand up. Stairs feel harder every year. Here's the truth. This is not just aging. In many cases, it's about what your body is missing at night and what it's quietly being damaged by during the day. Why legs get weak after 60? After age 60, three major things happen inside the body. First, muscle protein breakdown speeds up, especially while you sleep. Second, nutrient absorption drops, even if you eat healthy. And third, blood flow to the legs slowly declines, starving muscles of oxygen and repair nutrients. That's why nighttime matters so much. While you sleep, your body enters its deep repair phase. This is when muscles rebuild, nerves recover, and bones strengthen, but only if the right nutrients are available. The bedtime vitamin advantage. Most people take supplements in the morning, but research shows that certain vitamins work better at night when inflammation is lower and repair hormones are higher. Think of bedtime as your body's maintenance window. When you provide the right vitamins before sleep, you help your legs repair tiny muscle tears, improve nerve signaling, support balance and stability, reduce nighttime cramps and morning stiffness. Tonight, I'll walk you through three specific bedtime vitamins that support stronger legs after 60, backed by science and real-life results. But first, there's something important you must know. Silent foods that are weakening your legs. Many normal foods people eat every day are quietly damaging aging muscles. They don't cause pain immediately. They don't feel dangerous, but over time Now let's talk about vitamin, or more accurately, mineral, number one for stronger legs after 60. This is one of the most overlooked nutrients in older adults, yet it plays a critical role in how your legs feel when you walk, stand, or climb stairs. That nutrient is magnesium. Why magnesium matters for aging legs. Magnesium is involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body. But for seniors, its most important jobs are in the muscles and nerves. Magnesium helps muscles relax after movement, nerves send clean, strong signals, blood vessels open for better circulation, prevent cramps, stiffness, and nighttime leg pain. When magnesium levels drop, which is very common after 60, muscles stay tight, weak, and easily fatigued. That's when people say, my legs feel heavy at night. I get cramps in my calves. I wake up stiff in the morning. These are classic signs of low magnesium. Why magnesium works best at bedtime. Taking magnesium at night is powerful because it calms the nervous system, reduces muscle tension, and supports deeper, more restorative sleep. During deep sleep, your body uses magnesium to repair muscle fibers, improve nerve-to-muscle communication, and reduce inflammation in the legs. Better sleep equals stronger legs the next day. This is why many seniors notice less leg pain at night, easier movement in the morning, improved balance within weeks. Common foods that block magnesium absorption. Here's the problem. Many everyday foods drain magnesium from your body or stop it from being absorbed properly. These include white bread and refined grains, sugary desserts and sodas, processed meats, excess coffee late in the day. These foods increase inflammation and force your kidneys to flush out magnesium faster, weakening muscles over time. What to eat instead? Simple swaps. To protect your legs, replace those foods with leafy greens like spinach, pumpkin seeds and almonds, avocados, beans and lentils. These foods naturally support magnesium levels and work together with bedtime supplementation. Safe supplement tip, very important. For most seniors, magnesium glycinate or magnesium citrate is easier on the stomach and absorbs well. A common range many doctors suggest is 200 to 400 milligrams at bedtime, but always check with your healthcare provider, especially if you take medications for blood pressure or kidneys. What's next? Coming up next is vitamin number 2, a nutrient that helps strengthen leg muscles, protect nerves, and reduce the risk of falls. And surprisingly, it's one many older adults think they're getting enough of, but aren't. Now, let's move on to vitamin number 2. And this one is absolutely critical for leg strength after 60. It's vitamin D. Many people think of vitamin D only for bones, but that's only part of the story. In reality, vitamin D works like a master switch for muscle power, balance, and fall prevention. Why vitamin D is essential for strong legs. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium properly, activate muscle fibers, strengthen the connection between nerves and muscles, and maintain balance and coordination. When vitamin D levels are low, muscles, especially in the legs, become weak, slow to respond, and unstable. This is why low vitamin D is strongly linked to difficulty standing from a chair, slower walking speed, and higher risk of falls in seniors. Studies have shown that older adults with healthy vitamin D levels have better leg strength and fewer falls than those who are deficient. Why vitamin D works well at night. While vitamin D can be taken at any time, many seniors benefit from taking it in the evening, especially when paired with magnesium. At night, vitamin D supports muscle repair during sleep, bone and joint recovery, and hormonal balance involved in muscle growth. When vitamin D and magnesium are taken together, they activate each other, making both more effective. Silent foods that reduce vitamin D effectiveness. Even if you take vitamin D, certain foods can block its benefits. These include fried foods cooked in seed oils, processed snacks, excess sugar, and alcohol before bedtime. These foods increase inflammation and interfere with vitamin D signaling inside muscle cells, weakening leg strength over time. What to eat instead for better vitamin D results? To support vitamin D naturally, choose fatty fish like salmon or sardines, egg yolks, fortified dairy or plant milks, and healthy fats like olive oil. Vitamin D is fat-soluble, which means it works best when taken with healthy fats. Safe supplement guidance. Many experts suggest seniors need 800 to 2,000 IU daily, depending on blood levels and sun exposure. Always ask your doctor for a blood test to know your exact needs, especially if you have bone, kidney, or heart conditions. What's coming next? In the next and final part, I'll reveal vitamin number 3, the nighttime nutrient that protects leg nerves, improves muscle coordination, and helps you feel steadier on your feet. And we'll also cover the best bedtime routine to combine all three safely. Now, let's talk about vitamin number 3. And this one is especially important if your legs feel unsteady, numb, or weak. This final bedtime vitamin is vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 doesn't just support energy, it protects the nerves that control your legs. Without healthy nerves, even strong muscles can't work properly. Why vitamin B12 is critical after 60. As we age, the stomach produces less acid, which makes it harder to absorb vitamin B12 from food. Low B12 can lead to tingling or numbness in the legs and feet, poor balance, weak muscle coordination, shaky or uncertain walking. Many seniors assume these symptoms are just aging, but very often they're signs of B12 deficiency. How vitamin B12 helps at night. Taking vitamin B12 earlier in the day can feel stimulating for some people, but low-dose or methylated B12 at bedtime when paired with magnesium supports nerve repair during sleep, muscle coordination recovery, and reduced nighttime leg discomfort. Healthy nerves mean better balance, faster reactions, and more confident walking. Foods that quietly deplete vitamin B12. Some common habits reduce B12 levels faster in older adults, including heavy reliance on refined grains, low protein intake, and long-term use of antacids or acid-reducing medications. These factors make it harder for your body to absorb and store B12 properly. Best food sources to support B12. To naturally protect B12 levels include eggs, fish and shellfish, lean meats, fortified cereals, low sugar, and if you follow a mostly plant-based diet, supplementation becomes even more important. Safe supplement tip. Many seniors do well with 500 to 1,000 mcg of methylcobalamin or cyanocobalamin, but individual needs vary. Always check with your healthcare provider, especially if you have nerve symptoms or take multiple medications. The ideal bedtime vitamin routine. Putting it all together. Here's a simple, senior-friendly nighttime routine. Light dinner with protein and vegetables, magnesium plus vitamin D with a small healthy fat, low-dose vitamin B12 if recommended, gentle stretching before bed, consistent sleep schedule. This routine supports muscle repair, nerve health, and leg strength overnight. Final encouragement. Stronger legs after 60 are not about pushing harder. They're about supporting your body wisely. Small changes at bedtime can lead to better balance, less pain, more confidence with every step. If you found this helpful, share it with someone you care about, because steady steps mean a safer, more independent